Hey guys, welcome again to Get the Tricks. This is Sherry. Today's trick is about, I have talked about like in my last video where I show how to delete an artboard in Illustrator. So now I'm going to show you how to rearrange and resize different artboards in Illustrator. So let's get started. Here I'm going to create a new click. Okay, so to show you that, I will create some more artboards to show you how to arrange and everything. So here I will create like 5 different artboards. So for example, I want to arrange them like in a 2 column or 1 column, like anyway that I want to do. So there are 2 different ways to rearrange them. One is manual and one is inbuilt option. Like both are inbuilt, but they have different ways to do that. So for example, I want to create 2 different columns here, and now this is a 5 column. I want to rearrange them in 2 columns. So how it's gonna be possible? You see rearrange all artboards, click. So here it's an option like a columns. You can create like now it's 5 columns. I want to create 2 columns. I will click OK. You see, so there are different like directions, like layouts, how you want to rearrange, because now it's empty. Now it's empty to show you like how these arrangements are going. So I'm gonna put some numbers on it, so it's gonna be a bit easy to show you guys how. So this is 1, 2, I'm just gonna put these numbers just for reference, to show you guys how these artboards moved when we arrange in different layouts. So here I'm gonna go back to this option, rearrange. So I'm gonna go to this grid by column. So this was grid by rows. So now this is gonna be grid by column. I will click here. I wanna create 3 rows. So let's see. You see? The second, so this is how it arranges it. And I will show you again to make it for example, arrange by row. Click OK. So this is like how it created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going to be arranged by column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is by rows. I want to create 4 rows. I will do like this. This is gonna like this. Sorry, it was grid by rows, so it's gonna show like this. So if I create like a 2, yeah, so this is how it's gonna work like. So the second option is like you have to use the tool I have showed you before. It's called Artboard tool. The shortcut is Shift plus O. So here what you can do, just select and drag the artboard wherever you want. You can arrange them the way you want, like this, wherever you want. And this is a freestyle, and you can also use arrow keys to arrange them. For example, I selected this, I'm using my arrow keys. If you wanna go a bit faster, hold the shift and go a bit, it's gonna take you a bit faster. You can use 4 arrows to direct them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how like you can resize it. I'm gonna use this tool. If you see, this is a kind of a multi option tool. For example, if I wanna rearrange, like resize it, I can just use these intersect points to resize them. But if you wanna be really specific, then what you need to do, go here, arrange, not arrange. Here it's just gonna be like to create the spacings between different artboards, like how many pixels do you want. If I put 100, so it's gonna create 100 pixel spacing in between. So if I go for this, it's gonna 10. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to resize them. For example, like go to this option, artboard options. Okay, so for example here I want to resize the artboard number 4. What I will do here, if you see the width and the height, so the width I want to do like I want to create like a width 2000. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. But here if you see, it's overlapping the artboard 3. I will use this artboard tool, and then I will hold the shift key and drag it. I will drag it like this. Yeah. So for me, this is a really easiest way to do that, because so this is how you can rearrange them. And I will show you one more time. Artboard tool. I want to resize this manually. I will select this, go like this. So this is how you can like resize. And I hope I didn't make it a bit complicated, but I think for me this is the easiest way to do resizing, rearranging. Like I think it's a really useful tool, and in Illustrator, like I think this is the best way to rather than creating different documents, different files, you're gonna do your one project in one canvas. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, any suggestion, any comment, anything, just put that in comment. I will get back to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tricks. Thank you.